Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Server.pro, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 5 mods that enhance your Minecraft building experience. Before we begin, keep in mind that all the mods showcased in this video are mainly focused towards exterior building in Minecraft. If you'd like to download any of the mods featured in this video, all of the download links will be in the description down below. Lastly, if you don't know how to install mods, you can click the eye in the top right corner, which will lead you to a video tutorial on how to do so. Now without further ado, let's begin. For the first building mod on the list, we have the Pocketrot mod. Pocketrot is a mod for architecture in Minecraft. It includes a variety of antique and vintage sundries and building materials that are designed to create European cityscapes, cafes, gardens, castles, and so much more. Not only does this mod include materials for building, but it also includes a big selection of decoration items for the interior of your builds. If you would like to have a better idea of all the items that come with this mod, the Pocketrot website offers a download link to a sample world which includes all the items in this mod displayed and organized by category. This helps you see everything clearly and up close, as well as helps you decide on what items you wish to use for your builds. As you can see, this mod truly gives you the freedom to build anything you desire with all the different blocks and items it adds to the game. Next up, we have the Malice's Doors mod. This mod adds several new kinds of doors such as glass doors, jail doors, laboratory doors, factory doors, and garage doors that all have their different animations. Not only does this mod add new kinds of doors with their unique animations, but it also gives the game's vanilla doors their own animations as well. Also, making double doors automatically open and close without any need for redstone. Trap doors and fence gates are animated too. There are so many different kinds of doors in all shapes and sizes that truly elevate your builds and make them more personalized. For the third mod on the list, we have the Chisel mod. Chisel adds a huge variety of decorative and useful building blocks to the game. A fair amount of blocks have connected textures, and some have randomized or animated textures such as lava, water, stone, and energized voidstone. Some blocks like concrete also have other effects. To access new blocks, you will need the Chisel tool. To craft the chisel, you need an iron ingot and stick placed diagonally in a crafting table. In order to use the chisel and access new blocks, just right-click to open the chiseling interface. Of course, to be able to use the Chisel tool, you will need to select a block of your choice. Let's say you want to use oak wood to build, but you don't want to use the classic oak wood planks. All you need to do is place the wood in your inventory or hotbar, and then right-click the Chisel tool. Afterwards, place the wood in the chiseling slot on the top left, and now you have various options for wood besides just the classic planks pattern. This works for almost all Minecraft blocks, including all wood types, all kinds of stone, bookshelves, prismarine, and so much more. Before we move on to the rest of the mods, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can enjoy more content from Server.pro and never miss a new video. Also, if you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button. Next up, we have the WorldEdit mod. WorldEdit is basically a map editor for your game in your game. This mod takes building to a whole new level by simply typing in commands and using a wand. You can use WorldEdit to copy and paste a building from one place to another, or sculpt entirely new biomes and build cities. One of the things I love about this mod is that if you're building and have a huge area to fill up, instead of doing it manually, you can select the area you want to fill with the wand and simply type in a command. It's very time-saving and convenient. To spawn in a WorldEdit wand, just type //wand in chat. A few examples of some things you can do using WorldEdit would be quickly creating, replacing, or deleting thousands of blocks within seconds. You can also quickly create basic shapes such as spheres, cylinders, and more. You can also use a brush tool to carve out mountains, ravines, as well as build mountains from scratch. You can also rotate builds by simply selecting the build that you want using the wand, copying it, and then using a simple rotate command by doing //rotate, and then basically typing in the number that represents the degree that you want your build to be rotated to. And once you paste the build, it will be rotated according to what you entered. And you can also import and export schematics. These are only a few examples of all the things you can do using WorldEdit. For the final mod of this video is the Chinese Workshop mod. Chinese Workshop is a decorative building mod which contains Chinese-styled building materials and blocks that allow you to create East Asian-inspired builds more easily. With this mod installed, you're able to create the typical Asian roofs, Chinese lamps, tables and wooden benches, new types of slabs, Chinese lanterns, roof trims, and various related elements to this category. And that is it for the mods. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to try out these mods for yourself and perhaps along with some friends, check out Server.pro using the link in the description down below. Until next time!